Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is the homeopathic treatment in ASCVD? We call it as constitutional treatment. Constitutional treatment means as a person, you have a specific genetic code and also you have specific acquired things. Both acquired and a disease caused by two things. Only either it is acquired with your food habits or your lifestyle, anything like that, and also from genetics which your forefathers have given it to you. It is a combination of both. With these two there will be three changes. One change in the physical structure. What is the physical structure here? The arterial wall is altered, it is closed, and there will be functional changes. What is the functional change? Your lipid example is your lipid metabolism is deranged, or your carbohydrate metabolism is deranged, and psychological changes. Because of this you will have some psychological stress or psychological fear, whatever it is. So in homeopathy this constitutional treatment is given based on physiological, psychological changes, uh, which you have got due to acquired or genetic disorders. So when we give such type of medicine only individualized to you, so that medicine we call it as constitutional medicine, and it is very effective in treating ASCVD. Okay. Next, not only the constitutional treatment, we also give local treatment. Uh, See, you have statins in allopathy. Even homeopathy has statins, but our statins are have doesn't have any side effects. And also, there are excellent medicines homeopathy which can reduce your insulin resistance. So not only constitutional, but also you have specific treatments for in case of specific patients. Homeopathy doesn't have side effects. Homeopathy is very effective, and homeopathy is very cost effective as well. Why homeopathy doesn't have side effects? The reason is we give homeopathic medicines in very minute quantities. You take allopathy, you take ayurveda, you take siddha, any other system of medicine, they the medicines are given in few grams to few milligrams. But in homeopathy the medicines we give is only picograms. It is very less compared to any other system of medicine. So, and also homeopathy medicines are not crude medicines. There are some crude medicines like mother tinctures, but mostly the important medicines we give are not crude medicines. These are nanoparticles. These are nanoparticles in which active ingredient is in the middle, surrounded by lactose molecules. On top of it, it is surrounded by silicon. So how are we making these particles? There is a special way or advanced way of making homeopathic medicines. We call it as trituration and succussion. So succussion is also called as froth flotation. Uh, for froth flotation, the homeopathic term is succussion. So with trituration, each molecule will have a coat of lactose. With succussion, each molecule will have a coat of silicon around it when it is placed in the silicon container. So this is the structure of homeopathic molecule. So when we give these molecules in very minute quantities, as in the case of picograms, and individualizing the patient. So these molecules, these are not molecules, these are nanoparticles. These nanoparticles will act only in the target. Where is the target? There only it will act. It will not act off targeting. So there are no side effects in homeopathy. That is the reason there are no side effects in homeopathy. Two reasons. One is medicine is given, the nanoparticles are give homeopathic medicines are in the form of nanoparticles. They are given in very minute quantity. They will target only the specific organ. They will not have off targeting. That is the reason homeopathic medicines will not have side effects. Such small quantity of material or drug, how is it effective? Homeopathy medicines works on the principle of hormesis. What principle of hormesis says? Any substance you take from snake venom to water or any other chemical in the world, so in higher quantities it will kill a biological activity. In medium quantities it inhibit a biological activities. In lower quantities it triggers or enhance the biological activity. So in the same way, when homeopathic nanoparticles are given to you, uh, in case of ASCVD, so it will have major effect by stimulating the system. So that's how homeopathic medicines work. And also homeopathic medicines does not have patent system. Means no one in the world can buy the patent rights for a homeopathic medicine, and they cannot have monopoly over the homeopathic medicine as in the case of allopathy. That's the reason homeopathic medicines are very affordable compared to allopathic treatment. So finally, homeopathy is safe, homeopathy is effective, homeopathy is affordable. Homeopathy can cure the disease, Homeopathy can prevent the disease, prevent the occurrence of ASCVD, and in severe cases, it can relieve the symptoms in case of ASCVD. So, use homeopathy in case of ASCVD, except in the cases of emergency.